This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dead by Daylight as Killer. Start by learning power fundamentals and movement timing, then practice hooking and patrolling priorities in custom games, and refine chase decisions by watching your cooldowns and pallet behaviors to create predictable patterns. Warm up with short solo drills that focus on sprint control and power use. Then apply tracking techniques to anticipate survivor routes, mix long and short chases to exhaust resources, and deliberately mislead opponents into unsafe windows and pallets while guarding key exit areas warmly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth to rethink money habits and reduce stress about game purchases in a funny way. It pairs oddly well with budgeting for skins and DLC. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Control begins with consistent patrol routes that cover high-value generators and loop hotspots. Rotate hooks after a hit to prevent rescues. Use quick scans to predict survivor swaps, and keep pressure by alternating aggressive hunts and slow patrols while adapting to each match's flow with friendly confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.